You think sleeping 8 hours is saving your skin? Wrong. If you're sleeping like this, you are literally ironing permanent wrinkles into your face every single night. We've all been there. You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes of scrolling. Suddenly, it's 3 a.m. You panic, force yourself to sleep, and wake up looking like a puffer fish with dark circles, wondering why your expensive night cream isn't working. But then you see that one girl who sleeps 5 hours, wakes up at 5 a.m., and somehow looks fresher than you do after a weekend coma. How? Today, we are decoding the science of beauty sleep. No fluff, no drink more water advice. We are going to manipulate your biology to get maximum repair in minimum time. Welcome to the lab. First, let's break a myth. Sleep is not just rest. For women, sleep is literally free plastic surgery. When you enter deep sleep, your pituitary gland floods your body with HGH, human growth hormone. Think of HGH as your night shift construction crew. They repair collagen, burn fat, and tighten skin. But here's the catch. This crew only shows up during specific cycles. If you're stressed or scrolling on Instagram till 2 a.m., you miss the HGH window. Instead, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol is the enemy. It eats collagen for breakfast. High cortisol means water retention, aka that moon face you hate in the morning. So the goal isn't more sleep. The goal is dense sleep. We need to crash that cortisol and spike that HGH. Okay, let's do the math. Your brain sleeps in cycles of roughly 90 minutes. Have you ever woken up to an alarm and felt like you were hit by a bus? Physically nauseous? That's because your alarm rang right in the middle of deep sleep. That is sleep inertia, and it ruins your face and your mood for hours. You need to time your wake up at the end of a cycle, not the middle. If you need to wake up at 7 a.m., do not go to sleep at midnight. That's 7 hours. You'll wake up mid-cycle. Go to sleep at 1 a.m. That's 4 perfect cycles. Or 11:30 p.m. That is 5 cycles. It sounds crazy, but you will actually feel more energized with 6 hours of synchronized sleep than 7 hours of interrupted chaos. Now, let's optimize the hardware. Here are the 3 non-negotiables for an aesthetic wake-up. Step 1. The beauty mineral. Most of you are running on high anxiety. Your nervous system is vibrating like a broken phone. Take magnesium glycinate before bed, not citrate unless you want to run to the bathroom, but glycinate. It lowers body temperature and essentially tells your nervous system it's okay to shut down now. It is the off switch for your brain. Step 2. Train your sleep posture. Ladies, we need to have a serious talk about sleeping on your stomach. If you sleep with your face smashed into a pillow for 8 hours a night, that is 2,900 hours a year of mechanical stress on your skin. No serum can fix that. Train yourself to sleep on your back. It's uncomfortable at first. I know. Put a pillow under your knees to support your spine. This prevents fluid from pooling in your face and stops sleep wrinkles. Step 3. Tape it shut. If you wake up with a dry mouth, you are mouth breathing. Mouth breathing ruins your jawline and recesses your chin over time. Use a small piece of mouth tape. It forces nasal breathing, which increases oxygenation and keeps your facial structure secure while you dream. It looks weird, but the jawline results? Worth it. Finally, the moment you open your eyes, do not, I repeat, do not check your notifications, drag yourself to a window, get sunlight in your eyes for 5 minutes. This isn't spiritual woo-woo, it's biology. The light hits your retina and signals your brain to kill melatonin and produce serotonin. Then, splash your face with ice-cold water. It constricts blood vessels and depuffs the face instantly. Listen, you can't cheat biology, but you can engineer it. Sleep is not laziness. It's a performance tool. Stop trying to sleep more and start sleeping smarter. If you want to decode more secrets about your face and body that the beauty industry ignores, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Luniform.